Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English class with teacher Munira. Hi, students. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. So, our lesson for today is we are going to take a look at extra unit 4, listening and speaking. Our topic for today is comparing two pictures. If you have your textbook with you, turn to page 95. Now, let's take a look at the key phrases. Okay, when we are comparing the pictures, these are the sentences and also the question that we can use to compare the pictures or to compare anything. Okay, if you have two things to compare, so you can use these key phrases. Okay, number one, what can you see on the wall? Okay, let's say if there are two posters, what can you see on the wall? Is there a or an in your picture? Okay, take a look at the poster. Is there a monkey in your picture? Okay, how many pens are there? What color is or are the monkeys? What is or are the teacher or students doing or wearing? Okay. In my picture, there's a or an or there are or aren't some or any. Okay. Here it means that if you are asking, for example, if you are asking, what are the students doing? Okay. In my picture, there's In my picture, there are students doing their homework. Or in my picture, there aren't any students doing homework. Okay. So now let's listen to the audio and then I want you to write this in your grammar book and baca arahan tu. Listen and read the sentences and write E, Ellie's picture, or J, Joe's picture. Okay, daripada nombor 1 hingga nombor 6 ni, awak dengar elok-elok dia sebut picture siapa. Contoh nombor 1. There's a teacher there's a teacher in Ellie's picture. Okay, so tepi tu awak pun tulis huruf E kalau Ellie. Kalau there's a teacher in Joe's picture. So, kat tepi tu awak tulis huruf J. Macam tu lah sampai nombor 6.
Unit 4. Extra listening and speaking. Exercises 2 and 3.
OK, Ellie. We're working together on this activity. It's a picture of a classroom. Is there a teacher in your picture?
No, there isn't.
How many students are there?
There are only 2 students in the class.
OK. Well, in my picture, there's a teacher at the front of the class, and there are 3 students.
What are the students doing in your picture?
One student is listening to music. One is working on a laptop, and the other one is cutting some paper with some scissors.
Interesting. The students in my picture are chatting. Are the students in your picture wearing a school uniform?
Yes, they are.
The students in my picture aren't wearing a uniform. OK. Is there a whiteboard in your picture?
Yes, there is.
I can't see a whiteboard in my picture.
OK, so what can you see on the wall?
Well, there's a poster of a giraffe and there are 2 windows.
OK, in my picture, there's a clock on the wall and there are 2 posters. One of a panda and one of an elephant.
How many windows are there in your picture?
There's 1 window in my picture.
There are 2 windows in mine.
Are there any more differences? Let's see.
Now, This will be your guide ataupun template. Okay, I want you to listen to the audio too. Okay, and then when you get the audio, okay, let's take a look at the dialogue dekat sini ya. Dialogue dia, what can you see in your pictures? Daripada atas sampai ke bawah. Okay, ni ialah sebagai awak punya guidance
Unit 4. Extra listening and speaking. Exercise 4.
What can you see in your picture?
I can see a clock, 3 posters, and a whiteboard on the wall.
Is there a window?
No, there isn't.
How many students are there?
There are 5 students.
What are the students wearing in your picture?
They're wearing a school uniform.
Okay, now it's your turn. Ask me some questions about my picture.
Okay, so apa yang teacher nak awak buat ialah berdasarkan guide yang teacher tulis tadi, yang teacher bagi tadi tu. Okay, teacher nak awak compare picture A dengan picture B. Okay, picture A. Contoh dia. What can you see in picture A? Okay, I can see a clock. I can see a posters. I can see posters and I can see students dancing. Okay, for example, ataupun stretching. Students tu buat apa tu? Stretching, I think. Okay, and then, is there a window? Yes, there are. Okay, how many students are there? Berapa orang? 6 orang. There are 6 students. Okay. So, picture B pun buat benda yang sama. Okay. So, buat benda tu in your exercise, in your grammar exercise book. Okay. I think that's it from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.